Welcome to Bike Update, your go-to channel for the latest motorcycle news and reviews. Today we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Bajaj Triumph 350cc, a bike that's set to shake up the mid-range segment. Let's see what makes this motorcycle special. Design and build. The 2025 Bajaj Triumph 350cc blends British elegance with Indian engineering. It features a classic roadster design with a teardrop fuel tank, round LED headlamp, and premium metal finishes. The bike carries a retro-modern appeal, making it a perfect ride for those who love timeless styling with modern features. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Bajaj Triumph 350cc houses a single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, expected to deliver around 35 HP and 30 PM of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, ensuring smooth performance both in city traffic and on highways. With Triumph's engineering and Bajaj's cost-effective manufacturing, the bike aims to provide refined power delivery and strong mid-range performance. Technology and features. Bajaj and Triumph have packed this bike with modern tech. It comes with a fully digital instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity, and turn-by-turn navigation. Safety features include dual-channel ABS and slipper clutch, enhancing rider control. The bike's USD front forks and monoshock rear suspension promise a comfortable ride across different terrains. Expected pricing and competition. With an expected price range of 25.3 lakhs, ex-showroom, the Bajaj Triumph 350cc competes directly with the Royal Enfield Classic 350, Honda CB 350, and Jawa 42. However, its premium build, advanced technology, and Triumph branding might give it an edge in this competitive segment. Final thoughts. The 2025 Bajaj Triumph 350cc is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the mid-capacity motorcycle segment. If you're looking for a stylish, performance-oriented, and feature-rich bike, this one should definitely be on your radar. Stay tuned to Bike Update for more in-depth reviews and updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in the world of motorcycles.